You know how much I love foam core. Today I'm going to be showing you some amazing decorations you can make for the holidays out of this amazingly affordable supply. Let's get started. Hello, welcome back to the Crafty Organizer. On this channel, I love bringing you ideas on ways to organize, declutter, do upcycles, DIYs, and anything crafty. Right now, we're on day 3 of the 12 shares of Christmas, and I wanted to bring you some great ideas on how to make DIY projects out of foam core. Now, I know foam core isn't easy for everyone to get throughout the world. However, here in the US, it is pretty easy to find at your local dollar stores. It's also easy to get through Amazon, and it's also easy to get at your hobby stores like Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. So if you are not able to get it where you live, I am so sorry. Hopefully your fellow viewers can come up with some suggestions, but you should be able to do these out of corrugated paper, cardboard, something like that as well. So let's take a look at some of these ideas. The Crafting Chicks actually have a great template on their website, so check them out. But the first one that they have suggested is making these stand-up reindeer. What I love about these is you can make different sizes, cover them with different types of paper, and you can have them laying around your house, just creating this adorable little herd of reindeer. But with just a little bit of imagination, you can create so many different shapes. By just having a slice at the top that goes halfway down and at the bottom that goes halfway up, you can stand these up and just really go to town with creativity. Think about the Christmas tree ideas you can make, or if you don't want them standing as a 3-dimensional, make it flat and put lights in it. Decorate it any way you want by making houses. You could do a whole village, but going into that 3D design, you can make this winter village that would just be so beautiful. Or you could make something like a gingerbread house. If you're more into nativity scenes, you could print pictures and put them on here. Kids could color these in to make such a beautiful decor item. You could also make winter sceneries with these frames that could either have a picture in the back or just be open with lights. I love the idea of making little sleighs. These snowflakes are absolutely adorable, and you can cut this so easily with a craft knife. Loving this angel. And let's never forget the storage capacity. I did a whole video on making layered storage. Imagine making the little boxes so that your ornaments are completely organized for next season, and it's such an affordable way to do it, and it's a fun project at the same time. I love these foam core ideas. Let me know what you would like to see in the comments below. I have 2 days left open, so if one of these really spoke to you, let me know in the comments and it will be one of the 12 shares that I make. Make sure you've hit like if you enjoyed this, and also hit subscribe because tomorrow is day 4 of the 12 shares of Christmas, and I don't want you to miss any of the fun projects that we have. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Thank you to my patrons who allow me to make these videos. I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye.